Welcome. Today we're doing something a little bit different that we're going to be continuing to do on this channel moving forward. That's a little segment I decided to call Speed Ramp. Whatever I decided to put right there is the new intro. There ain't no intro for today's types of videos. So I get sent products all the time. Like every other day I have a package coming, and unfortunately not all of them something that I would spend an entire project working on. B-roll and, you know, planning my day out for it. I thought it'd be a good idea to do like somewhere between a 1 to 4, 3-minute maybe max video every now and then, maybe even a few times a week, and just give you guys the basic quick rundown of whatever it is I'm reviewing. And then we'll save the longer videos for, I don't want to say the bigger products because I don't want to belittle the products that I'm doing on Speed Ramp. But you know what I mean. Yo, with these dad hats, I can never tell if I'm like straight or even like tilted, and this is taking a valuable time in my Speed Ramp. I'm doing a terrible job. This is an awful start. So ZV-1, you guys know that I love this camera. I love so many things about it and dislike so very few things about it. I think it's the greatest point and shoot camera to ever be made, and we got some accessories for it today, and some good ones. And if you stick around to the end, there's gonna be a giveaway of some of these accessories to one lucky winner. And all these accessories were sent to me by Ulanzi, and they sent me a couple extras so that I can give some away for the holiday season. Merry freaking Christmas, eh? This is probably the best tripod I've ever used for a point and shoot camera. This was like specifically made perfectly, very small and lightweight, so much so that you could actually vlog with it. You can get even more distance if you want, so now that tighter focal length that, you know, not a lot of people are fond of in the ZV-1, now you can get some good stretch. Let's see, where am I here? Twist, pull, twist, pull. Okay, this is awkward. I didn't think this through one bit. Kicking stuff. Let's drop this like it's hot. Yeah, I'd say that gets up to, I'm not very good with measurements. Speed Ramp, it doesn't matter. It's tall enough. This is good. It's a good height. Looks good. I like it. Next up, let's stay on the tripod wave. This also, I would say, one of the better mini vlogging tripods for ZV-1 or, again, any point and shoot camera. Perfect size, but if you want a little extension, got your little tripod legs, built-in ball head, twist it, set it, start getting going, creating the most incredible vlogs on the planet. You. Next up is this U-rig cage, and the good thing about this is the grip on these little point and shoot cameras, it's like smaller than my fingernail, so you're really not getting much of a grip there. But you add a little cage on, which again is also super lightweight. It's not like this heavy, big, bulky cage, and it is made of metal, but it's made out of some lightweight metal. And I would argue that still somewhat pocketable. All you're really adding is a little bit more grip, and I'd rather have a little more grip and a little less room in my pocket than vice versa and risk dropping my camera. Much better handle on this now, and now I don't have to worry about breaking this thing. If you see right here, this is Sony's mount, and it's directly next to the battery door. So when you have something in there like a quick release plate, you can't open the battery door. But now you have all these extra mounts, you can move your quick release plate over more, and boom, have complete access to your battery and your SD card. Now, even though this cage is pretty lightweight, you might be saying, I don't need all that, but I would like the option to relocate how I mount my camera. They make a smaller bottom plate that does the exact same thing, and most importantly, you have full access once again to your battery and your SD card. Now, if you pair the cage with the vlogging grip, get that extended, and then add on this wide angle adapter made specifically for this camera, you got yourself a pretty nice on-the-go vlogging setup that weighs absolutely nothing and can easily be put away. Nice 18 mil equivalent. That should fill the view right there. Are we getting double eye autofocus right now? Are we getting eye autofocus from the A7S III onto the flip screen, and then the eye autofocus box from the ZV-1 onto my mug? I don't even know. Maybe. We might be. All right, giveaway time. We have The cage, unopened in the package, and we even have a little Bluetooth remote there. Bottom plate, unopened in the package. Got one of these tripods and the wide angle lens. So we're just gonna give this all away to one lucky winner. Rules to win are very simple. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you, I appreciate it very highly. Go over to my IG at @the_everythingman and check me out over there. Throw me a follow and then comment down below. Let me know. I don't know, people do giveaways. They're like, comment down below. Let me know what you're gonna do with it. Of course, you're gonna shoot with it. This is camera stuff. Just comment down below. Let me know that you subbed. Let me know that you followed me on IG. If you already do both of those, then you're entered to win. All you have to do is comment down below. Just make sure you comment something. We'll announce the winner on December 21st. Monday, December 21st. How's that sound? We'll do another one of these videos. I'll let you guys know if you won or not. It's one winner for everything. I'll ship it out. We'll get in contact with whoever won and take care of business. Salute.
Everything, man. Everything, man. Everything, everything, everything. Everything, man. Everything, man. Everything, man. Everything. Hey, yo, I want everything. I want everything. That's on everything. It's like a wedding.